Aruba packing video, and we need some things from Target.
Yes.
So we're gonna head in on this episode of
BoosCruize. Come on and join us.
We're going to Aruba tonight. Ah!
Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Jarrell always tries to breeze past the dollar spot, which I think is blasphemy. Guys,
Nothing that we need here.
need
for the
or
trip.
want? Comment down below. Do you do the dollar shop? So I am not generally a hat person because I have a huge head, but this hat fits me, and I feel like it's like a mood. It's like a vibe. Carmen Sandiego. P.S. I have my mask. No one's around me. That's why it's off. I just wanted to see what it looked like without. And this one's shopping for bags.
For bags. I think I need a little carry-on bag. But I like the hat. You should wear it.
Getting
You should
it.
get it.
This travel size section is your best friend. We actually have all this because we travel a lot. But
I just got some stuff like 2 weeks ago from here.
yes, this 9-piece kit is like honestly a great value for gentlemen. Like you get a lot of stuff in here, and it's like $6 or something. The only thing we need to pick up from here is the contact solution. This Renew contact solution because it's like the thing you always forget. And I think that's it. But we need sunscreen. So if you remember, we definitely, well, Jarrell definitely got burned in Puerto Rico. So he specifically needs this, but we both need it. Everyone should wear sunscreen. We're gonna get this twin pack. This is SPF 50. It's a twin pack. It's only $7.99. So we're gonna get that. And we also got the travel packs of this. So we got the cream. This is 30. Got the twin pack, and we also got the travel version of Off because I hear that the bugs are pretty bad in Aruba. So yeah, there is travel sizes of repellent and tons of sunscreen options. My goodness gracious.
Lip balm.
Yeah, though most lip balms come with sunscreen already in them. So yeah, don't forget your sunscreen, kids. We are packing. As you can see,
Folding clothes, trying to get everything into these little carry-on bags.
yeah, these we're
We don't
only
have any
carrying
big
on.
Suitcases.
On today's episode of
BoosCruize.
okay guys, so we don't normally do packing videos, but you guys like wanted some. We are actually both doing the same size carry-on. Jarrell's is already in motion. Mine, these are all of my, I've repacked all of my outfits in these bags, which I am then going to place in there. So let's just start putting some stuff in and see where it goes. Oh, actually, I don't know. Maybe I should put some shoes in first because it's good to hide little shoes in between this little space. So, yeah, there we go.
That's why I put my shoes.
Well, all of my clothes fit on this side. This side has, these are my natives. Guys, if you don't know what natives are, they're basically like a shoe, not a Croc, don't even do it. But they're made of rubber and they're perfect for anything because they kind of look like, they look like Chucks, but they're perfect for being on the boat. They're perfect for just going out and about. And you could also wear them on the beach because they're made of rubber and you can just like hose them down and clean them off. I'm obsessed, and they're super lightweight. Like I'm obsessed with them. So my shoes and my flip-flops are on this side, and then this is just gonna be where the bulky, like weird stuff goes. All the flat stuff can go on this side. Oh, also another tip. So I realized that with these bags, if you close them, they're harder to pack down, but if you open them just a little bit, all the air will come out of them. So don't close the bags if you do pack in bags. Jarrell is over there folding. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Just don't even.
All right, so it's my turn, and I am packing. I'm not as organized as David, but so I have a few items in here, just some shorts, some linen pants and things, but I'm gonna try to make everything fit. I'm used to packing very light, so I should be good at this, but I'm not that great. But I'm gonna try to make everything fit. So maybe I should have kept everything in the packages like David did. But anyways, I used to do this whole rolling thing, but that didn't turn out that well either. But everything's gonna fit. I don't have too much. Let's see. And plus, this bag extends, so it kind of like doubles in size once everything is in it. So it's not that bad, but see, it's not as neat as David's, but it's getting there. This is all my clothes and underwear and things. I still have to get like my toiletries.
How the crap do you pack hats?
You have to put the hat. Oh, that's how you pack it. Perfect.
So, I mean, there's a space right there, and then I'll put the stuff in the center.
That works.
And then this won't fully crush it. I don't want to crush it out of form. Guys, how do you pack hats?
Well, by the time you reply, it'll probably be too late.
Well, we'll know if it's all crushed.
But
this is how it's getting packed today. Oh, look. Uno,
you guys.
All right, y'all. So literally all of my regular clothes are in here. Except for one pair of shorts and, oh my gosh, lifesaver. If you don't know if a place is going to have great AC and you get hot, also just for the noise, I bring this on cruises. This is just a little portable fan. It's amazing. This is all of my toiletries in one space. And, oh, our BoosCruize stuff, shoes, are all on this side along with my hat. So this will fold onto this and I'll show you what it looks like when it's closed, and then we're gonna go down and see Jarrell's because his is already zipped and downstairs. But yeah, everything fit. I put my BoosCruize bag, which is just a little string sack inside. And oh, let me show you guys this really cute carry-on that I got. This is going to be my little personal effect that is going to go. It's so cute, right? It's just this little mini duffel. It's leather. I love it. So yeah, so this is what's gonna go actually on the plane with me. This would be like, you know, in place of a backpack or a woman's purse. Yeah. Oh, and then this is the extra batteries and stuff. This is all so that we can film for you guys. And if you guys are curious, we use a GoPro Hero 7 Black. On a tripod, we hold it, and then for when we are doing our water stuff, this is a floating attachment. So yeah, all right, let me close this up. Booze, it closed so easy, and I didn't even have to force it or anything. So this is what 7 days in Aruba looks like if you are an awesome packer. If I do say so myself, as well as this cute little bag, which is going to, how cute, I can't, I'm obsessed. So yeah, this is what it's doing. Let's go down and see Jarrell. All right, so Jarrell's is already zipped up and he is busy. Playing. This is where he lives. Guys, this is what I see every day.
Village.
Every day, this is what I see.
It's a great sight, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Site.
Yes.
Playing the game that you got me.
I did.
I mean, well, the system, yeah.
Look at this face. I'm gonna marry this face. TV. This is what's happening. Games. Oh, guys, we put down a rug here. Ugh. Anyway, getting distracted. So, this is us packing. I don't know if that helped you, but this is what it looks like. I gotta go and get ready because we are going to Aruba. I love you guys. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. If you love this, give us a thumbs up. And, oh my gosh. Goodbye.